First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 4 on the topic income expenditure data interpretation. So now we are going to solve set number 3 DA. So don't forget, before watching this video, don't forget to watch all the previous lessons, that is starting from lesson number 1. So lesson number 1, I have told you like what are all the formulas are there to solve a question that is based on income expenditure, and then I have told you what are all the questions you can solve by a traditional method and how to solve that same question by using a shortcut. So these are the stuff I have told you in lesson number 1. And then in lesson number 2 and in lesson number 3, that is in previous lesson, we have solved two set of data interpretation that is based on income expenditure. And set number 1, set number 2 DA, it's completely different, because in set number 1, income of a person has been given, expenditure given. So based upon the question, we have solved based upon the chart, we have solved the question. And in the previous DA, that is set number 2, we have learned like in the chart where profit percentage and loss percentage has been given. So based upon only profit and loss percentage, how to find the income and expenditure. So these are the stuff we have learned in the previous lesson. So here it's set number 3 DA. It's completely different when compared to previous 2 sets, because totally we are going to solve 5 sets, and all the 5 sets will be completely different model. So that if you watch all the 5 lessons, that is all the 6 lesson 5 DA, where you can able to understand all the concepts on the topic income expenditure, right? So now let me move on to the set number 3 data interpretation. So look at the chart carefully. So they have given 2 values and the 2 person value has been given. The first person is Mahesh and the second person is Ravi. So Mahesh annual income has been given and then Ravi income has been given. Right? 2 person income has been given, but all the chart values are expenditure of the person, right? So savings, a bill, medical, food, education, etc. So all the values are given in percentages, and all the values they have given is the expenditure value. So above the chart you can able to see Mahesh will be 1,48,000 and income of Ravi will be 1,96,000, right? So this question will be little bit easy to medium level, but the calculation part are more important, right? So this question, why I have taken this question as set number 3, because the calculation will be more and more important to solve the question, because at some point you can able to see there will be a huge calculation like this, 49 into 1490. So difference of 59 into 1680. So in this scenario, you can't able to solve a question fastly, because you need to multiply these 2 value and then you need to multiply these 2 value and then you need to find the difference. So here itself we would make 1 minute to solve this area, but our target is to solve the complete question within 1 minute. Right? So that's the reason I took this as a set number 3 DA. I will teach you in which area you need to find the percentage value and which area you should not find a percentage value, because those cases is completely waste of time. If you solve that question by finding a percentage separately, it's a waste of time. So where you need to save time, so everything I will tell you in this set number 3. So don't forget to watch all the 4 questions here, and the last 1 question I will give you as a homework question. So now let me move on to all the 5 questions based upon this DA. Question number 1. So what is the difference between the expenditure on education and food together by Mahesh and that of Ravi on the same item? So our target is to find what is the expenditure of the Mahesh for the 2 items, that is education and food. So difference of the same item on the Ravi, right? So first what we can do here is just look at the chart, what are the values they have given for education and food for Mahesh and Ravi. So first let me calculate the value for Mahesh. So Mahesh education is 22%, right? So 22%, and the food, right? Education and food. So food will be 33%. So these are the percentage is expenditure of the person Mahesh. And for the person Ravi will be 40% and 18%, right? So now our target is to find what is the expenditure of the person, that is on the Mahesh, for these 2 items. After finding the value, we need to find the difference for the same item of the person Ravi. Right? So it's a huge calculation, right? Huge number multiplications will be there. I will just teach you slowly how to solve this question by taking small value outside and then cancelling some of the values, so that instead of solving in this way, this much of calculations will be there. Instead of solving this question with this much of calculation, you can reduce only till this. right? So just see here how I am going to solve. So 33 plus 22 will be 55 percentage total. So 55 percentage of the total salary. So Magesh's salary is how much? 1,48,000, right? So we need to find the difference. So similarly 40 plus 18 will be 58. So 58 percentage of 1,96,000. So instead of calculating what is 55 percentage of 1,48,000, what you can do here is just better cancel this percentage, because percentage will be divided by 20. So cancel 20 here. Understood or not? So similarly cancel this percentage. So cancel 20. And here in the left hand side part we have 10, and the right hand side part we have 10. So better just take common 10 outside. So if you take 10 outside here, what are all the values remaining? So 55 into 148. So difference of 58 into 196. Understood this step or not, right? So here we have 10 and here we have 10, right? So what I did is I have just taken the 0 commonly outside out of these two numbers. So which is 10 here. So remaining value will be 55 into 148. So 58 into 196. Now you don't want to multiply this number. Try to simplify further. Just see here 148, 196. We can cancel it by 4 table. So if you cancel this by 4 table, right? So this becomes 4 3s are 12. Just take common outside, right? 4 common outside. If you take 4 outside, which becomes 4 into 10 will be 40. So friends, understood or not? I am taking 4 outside because this is a multiple of 4 and this number will be multiple of 4. So if you take 4 outside, 4 3s are 12, remaining will be 2, 7 4s are 28. So similarly take 4 outside, 4 4s are 16, so remaining will be 3, 9 4s are 36. Now it is very easy to multiply these two numbers because 55 into 37, so 58 into 49. Understood or not? Just see how easy it is. Instead of multiplying this much of huge numbers, we have simplified everything into 2-digit number, right? Now we got 55 into 37, multiplication part will be easy. 58 into 49, here also it will be easy. So after finding it, find the difference and multiply with 40. Got it? So first what we can do here is 55 into 37. So 55 into 37. So 7 5s are 35. So remaining will be 3. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3 will be 38. So 5 3s are 15, 1. 15, 1, 16. So this becomes 8. So this will be 1, 10, 1, 2. So 2 0 through 5. So 2 0 3 5. So difference of 58 into 49. So this can be written as 58 into 50 minus 1 for easy calculation, right? 8 5s are 40. Remaining will be 4, 29, 58. So this becomes 2842. So 2842. So here we have 40 outside. Just find the difference. So 35, 42 will be 807. 807. So 807 into 40. Right? So 840. So now we need to multiply this. A 0, 7 4s are 28, 2. So 2 here, 8 4s are 32. So the answer will be 32,280, which is the difference. So this will be the answer for question number 1. Understood or not, right? So the same question, there are many ways to solve the question. Even some teachers will solve the same question by using a different shortcut. But here what I am going to explain here is, instead of wasting your time, right? In this same question, you can, if you search in a Google, each and every teacher will solve in a different way. But what is our target? Our target to simplify some of the multiplications, and we need to get the answer soon. Right? Instead of solving this much, we have just reduced the sum of the steps. That's it. We are learning from this question. Just see here. So percentage 20, I have cancelled it initially. And then left hand side also I have 10, right hand side also I have 10. So I have taken that 0 outside, which is 10. And then 55 into 148, 58 into 196. And then what I did is, here in this two numbers, right, this 3-digit number and this 3-digit number is a 4 multiple. So I have taken 4 outside. So already we have 10 outside here. So 4 into 10 will be 40. So if I take 4 outside, which becomes 37 and 49. So now we got 2-digit numbers. So multiplication is easy, and then finding a difference is also easy. So finally 807 into 40. So 807 into 4 will be 32,280 as 0. So which is the answer for question number 1. Understood or not, right? So if you feel like this, if the way what I have solved is easy, follow this. Or else Some students, what they usually say is, I can directly multiply 55 into 148, 58 into 196, and then can I solve the question? Yes, you can. It's completely your wish. Or else you can cancel all the three zeros here, and you can cancel percentage here. So finally you get only 55 into 148. So 58 into 196, and then you can do it in all the different ways. But try to learn that method which is applicable for all the questions. So here you can easily take 3 zeros and 3 zeros. In some sort of question it will be not like this. Some question you can able to see only 2 0 will be here, but here 3 0. That's what I said, how to cancel it and how to take that 0 outside. Got it? So if you practice more number of questions, automatically you can able to understand this. So answer for this first question will be 32,280. Question number 2. So by what approximate percentage does Mahesh save less than Ravi? So our target is to find what is the approximate percentage which is Mahesh savings less than Ravi savings, right? How much percentage less? Most of the students, what they usually do is they just look at the chart, right? So by seeing the chart, you can able to see Mahesh savings is how much percentage? 20%, right? So what about the person Ravi savings? Ravi savings is 25%. So students, what they usually do is, so how much Ravi percentage is more? 5%. So they will say like answer is 5% more. Usually students used to do that, right? Because Mahesh savings is 20, Ravi savings is 25. How much percentage less when compared to Ravi? 5% less. So where Ravi is 5% more when compared to Ravi, where Mahesh is 5% less. So students, what they usually say is answer is 5% less. Is this correct way of solving a question? No, it is actually wrong. Why? Because when you should follow this method is, if both the person's salary is same, it's most important. I have seen many students will make this mistake, right? If both the person salary, right? If salary is same for both the person, then you can follow this method. Here Mahesh and Ravi, the salary of both the person is different, because the person Mahesh's salary is 1,48,000, Ravi's salary is 1,96,000. If both the person's salary is different, you can't just like that find the percentage difference. That is wrong. You need to find this value separately for the person Mahesh, and you need to find the separate value savings of Ravi, and then you need to find what is the difference in their value. Understood or not, right? So kindly don't do like this. It is a wrong way of calculation. So our target is to find savings of the person Mahesh, right? So Mahesh savings is how much? 20%. So 20% of from the salary is how much? 1,48,000. So similarly 25%, that is Ravi savings. So Ravi savings, that is 1,96,000. So first let me find what is the savings amount of both the person. So we can cancel percentage 20 here. So cancel percentage and 20 here, right? So now 20%. So 20%, I think 20,000, right? So we can write 00 here. 148 into 2. 8 2s are 16. Remaining will be 1. 4 2s are 8, 1 9. So this will be 2. So 2 lakh, that is 29,600 will be the savings of the person Mahesh. So now let me calculate for Ravi, right? So 25 into 196. So 25 into 196, I think we need to multiply this, right? So 20 here, right? So resultant will be 25. So 6 5s are 33, 45, 48, 4. So 9, 12, 1, 18, 19, 1. So 2, 1, 3, right? So 0, 10, 1, 10, 19, 1. So 4, 9. So 40, 0, 0, right? So 49,000. So 49,000 will be the savings of the person Ravi, and then 29,600 will be the savings of the person Mahesh. So now our target is to find how much percentage, just here, how much percentage is less than Ravi. It's most important. Even in the previous question, 2 question, I have said this. Which person you are going to compare, right? Our target is to compare with the person Ravi. Which person you are going to compare, that person value should come in the denominator, right? So what is that person? 49,000. So 49,000 should comes in the denominator, and remaining 2% difference should comes in the numerator. The formula is x minus y divided by y into 100. Understood or not, right? So 29,600 minus of 49,000 into 100. Got it? So now I think we can cancel 20 here, similarly 20 here. So 296 and 296 and 490. So when you subtract 296 and 490, 194. So 194 divided by 490 into 100, you can cancel 1940 divided by 49, 3 times, so 39 approximately, right? 39, 9 nines are 81, 36. So 39 our target is to find not the exact answer, our target is to find the approximate percentage. So we can say that answer for this question is approximately 39 percentage. So never forget this, right? So most of the students will make a mistake. They just directly see the chart in the value and they say answer is 5% less. That is wrong, because both the person's salary is different. If both the person's salary is same, then you can proceed in all the different shortcuts. But here both the person's salary is different, so you can't able to just like that by keeping only the percentage value, you can't able to say that. So you need to find the savings of the first person separately, second person separately, and then check which person we need to compare, and that person should comes in the denominator. Understood or not, right? So this will be the answer for question number 2. Question number 3. So what is the ratio of expenditure on bill and medical by Ravi to that of Magesh on the same item? So our target is to find the ratio on the expenditure of the person Ravi on certain items to Magesh on the certain items, right? So bill and the medical by Ravi. Just look at the chart. So first we need to find the Ravi and Magesh, not Magesh and Ravi, right? Ravi and Magesh. So Ravi chart where bill is 12% and the medical 5. So total will be 17. So 17% of the expenditure. Total salary is how much? 1,96,000. And our target is to find the ratio. So second will be Magesh. So Magesh, bill and medical. So bill and medical will be 17 plus 8. So 17 plus 8 will be 25. So 25% of 1,48,000. So here you don't want to find the values separately. Why? Because our target is to find the ratio. Right? You can simplify it. Instead of multiplying 19600 into 17 or finding 17% separately, it's completely waste of time. So you can cancel percentage here. So similarly you can cancel 3030 here. So because we need to find the ratio, right? So what are the values remaining? 17 into 196. So 25 into 148. Easy or not? Even instead of multiplying this 3-digit number with 2-digit number, even you can further simplify it. Why? Because we can cancel it on 4 table. So this becomes 49. So cancel it on 4 table. This becomes 37, right? So now values are 17 into 49 will be 35 into 37. So now it is further easy to find the ratio values, right? So 9 7s are 63. So remaining will be 6 here. So this will be 9, 28. So 28, 9 will be 37. So 37, 6 will be 43. So remaining will be 4, 8, 33. Got it? So ratio. So 25 into 37. So 25 into 3, 9, 25. So answer for this question, that is question number 3, will be 833 into 925. Easy or not, right? So don't waste your time. It's an easy question. Some students, what they used to do is they find what is 17% of this number separately, and they find what is 25% of this number after finding the percentage value, and then they will cancel it. So it's a long process. So don't do that. So here itself we can cancel percentage and all zeros, and check whether we can further reduce this or not, right? So even there is a chance we can further reduce it. This can be cancelled by 7 table, right? But here we can't able to cancel any numbers. If it is 35 here, example I am saying, if it is 35 here, we can further reduce this, because we can cancel this on 7 table, we can cancel this on 7 table. So try to reduce the numbers by cancelling the numbers in each side, left and right. So try to reduce the numbers into small numbers, and then finally multiplication part will be easy. So answer for question number 3 will be the ratio 833 is to 925. Question number 4. So by what approximate percentage Ravi should decrease his expenditure on bill if he wants to increase his savings by 14.2%, that is 28%, right? So very interesting question, right? Very important too, because you need to know this concept, right? Without knowing this concept, solving this question is not at all easy. So the thing here is they are talking about the person Ravi, right? So actually what is the Ravi savings? Ravi savings is 25%. So the question here is, first understand the question. The question here is from the bill, right? So from the bill amount, what he is doing, what is the bill amount here according to the chart? So the bill value, expenditure on the bill value is 12%. So from the 12%, we need to check how much amount he need to decrease. How much percentage, right? Not the amount. How much percentage amount he need to increase from the bill so that the person Ravi's savings should increase to 14.28%. Already the savings is 25. So now because his expenditure on the bill is reduced, so the savings will be increased. So our target is to find how much percentage expenditure on the bill should be reduced so that the savings must be increased to 14.28%. Understood or not? So first what we can do here is we can find what is the savings of the person Ravi, and then what is 14.28% amount. For that amount we can find what is the bill expenditure, and then it is easy to find how much percentage should be decreased, right? I can teach this question very slowly because the concept is more important, right? Try to understand this concept. Okay, so first Ravi savings. So Ravi savings is how much? So savings of the person Ravi is 25%. So 25% of 1,96,000. So 25% will be 49,000. So 49,000 will be the savings of the person Ravi. So now how much percentage is saving to be increased? 14.28%. What we can do is from the savings amount, that is 49,000, we can find what is 14.28%. So 14.28 can be written as 100 into 100. Understood or not, right? Because we know 14.28%. So in order to remove the percentage, by 100. In order to remove the decimal point, divided by 100. So now we can cancel 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 zeros here. So remaining will be 49 into 1428 divided by 10. So I think we can further reduce this, or else we can 49 into 142.8. So 9 sevens are 63, 4950. So this will be 7,000. I think we need to find an approximate answer. So we can say that 7,000. So here that 14.28% will be 7,000. Understood or not? From the total savings 49,000, what he is actually saving. So now he have to increase by 14.28%, which is 7,000 amount should be increased on the savings. This 7,000 amount should get decreased on the expenditure of the bill. So bill is how much? So bill percentage is how much according to the chart? Is 12%. Let me find what is the expenditure on the bill. So 12% of 1,96,000 is the expenditure on the bill. Understood? So 1,96,000 will be 0, 0. We can cancel 0, 0, 0 here. So remaining 1, 0. 196 into 12. So 2, 18, 1, 19, 1, 3. So 6, 9, 1. So 2, 15, 1, 10, 13, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 0. 2, 0. Just see 2, 3, 5, 2, 0 is what? So 2, 3, 5, 2, 0 will be the expenditure of the person Ravi on bill. So now how much he should decrease from this expenditure? 7,000. So only if we decrease 7,000 from this expenditure, so that the savings will be increased by 14.28. So our target is to not to find the money. Our target is to find how much percentage he need to decrease. So 23,500 is the total bill amount. So from that he need to decrease by 7,000. Just find what is the percentage. So 7,000 by 23,520 into 100. So we can cancel 0, 0 here. So 0, 3 zeros and 4 zeros, 70,000. So 2352. Got it? So now I think 2352. So now we need to cancel this on 7,000, 2352. So 2 times will be, 3 times will be more than 7,000. So this will be 2 times. Understood? So now, so 4,000. 18, 17, 20 times will not be, so 9 times. So we can say approximately 29%. So approximately 29% will be the answer for this question. So when understood or not, right? Concept is more important. So first we found what is the savings amount of the person Ravi, and then we found what is that 14.28 percentage on the savings, because you need to increase that amount on the savings. So we found what is 14.28 percentage. So that we found, which is 6,000 something we got. So we can approximately take as 7,000. So in the savings, we have to increase that amount, increased is 7,000. So from where? From the bill expenditure. So already what is the bill expenditure, which is 23,520. So from this 23,520, you need to reduce 7,000 so that the savings will be increased by some amount of percentage. So I have found how much percentage from the expenditure of the bill you should decrease. So for this expenditure bill, 7,000, we have found how much percentage. So which is 29 percentage, right? So 29 percentage on the expenditure on the bill, if we decreased, so that the savings will be increased by 14.28 percentage. Understood or not, right? So very interesting question, and the concepts are more important. So when that's it about this video. So last question alone I can give you as a homework question. So by what approximate percentage Ravi spends more on education than the average expenditure on the education by both of them? So very interesting question. Our target is to find more or less. So the same formula. So which person you are going to compare, that value should comes in the denominator. Understood? So that's it. Try to solve this question, and I have given the answers too. So try to solve and check whether you are getting the answers or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you really like it, share this video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much for watching it, and don't forget to watch the remaining sets. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.